Hello everyone, I'm your Korean pacemaker, Korean Mickey SSEM. If you want to learn Korean, there is one important thing you should understand first. Korean is not only a language. Korean is language, culture, and emotion together. Today, I will share 4 simple ideas. If you follow these, you will understand Korean more naturally and you will not get lost. First, you need one clear reason. One sentence. Why do you want to learn Korean? Travel, friends, K-drama, work? All these reasons are good, but make it one clear sentence. For example, I want to understand Korean drama without subtitles. I want to share real conversation with my Korean friends. This sentence is your direction. When learning feels difficult, this sentence reminds you why you started. Second, Korean starts with Hangul. Hangul is not pictures. Hangul is a sound system. A consonant and vowel comes together to make one sound. For example, 기억 and 아 become 가. 니은 and 어 become 너. So, learning Hangul means learning how to read sounds, not memorizing shapes. You don't need to be perfect, just understand how letters connect. That is enough to begin. You can see that it works like a Lego block system. Third, in Korean, meaning comes at the end. You must listen to the end of the sentence. For example, 나는 오늘 커피. I today coffee. The meaning is not clear yet. 커피를 마셨어요. I drank coffee. 커피를 마실 거예요. I will drink coffee. The verb decides the situation. This is not only grammar, it is also culture. Koreans often think first, then speak carefully. Language reflects how people think and feel. Fourth, context creates nuance. The same sentence can feel very different depending on the situation. For example, 괜찮아요 means it's okay in Korean. In different situations, it can mean I'm fine, I forgive you, or don't worry. To understand Korean, you must look at the context. Who is speaking, to whom, where, and why. Korean culture values relationships, respect, and emotional harmony. That's why tone, situation, and small expressions matter so much. Now, before we finish, I want to share one important thought with you. Technology is developing very fast. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. AI translate, summarize, and explain everything. But even in this era, one truth does not change. The most powerful way to connect people to people is still language. And the most meaningful connection is sharing emotions through language. That's why learning a language is becoming more valuable and not less. When you speak Korean, you're not just using words, you're sharing feelings, respect, and understanding. And you don't have to do this alone. Mickey SSEM is here, guides you step by step from Hangul to read conversations, from words to emotion. You already started. Now you have direction. Please subscribe and write your one sentence goal in the comments. I will walk with you on your Korean journey. You can do this. See you in the next video. Bye.